Okay, y'all, doing a room tour in the Palms Palace. So this is my entryway. You first walk in, First walk in, got your little closet, A little, the electricity in there. And then you got the kitchen. Got the stove and stuff, and the chairs. I guess this is a dishwasher. It was warm. They must have just left. Supplies here. Stove, sink, fridge with nothing in it. Microwave. I don't know what this is. Oh, for your wine. Got the freezer. This don't do anything. The microwave. Come over here. Got the little table. A little fireplace. The couch with the TV. Fireplace is nice. Oh, they got a little iRobot. That is too cute. Here's the balcony and the view from the balcony. And here's a chair. And here is the complimentary liquor. Look at that. We got some Jameson and we got some other vodka. Some weird stuff, okay. Look at the bathtub, y'all. Look at the bathtub. And they got complimentary bath salts for you. Then they got another little mirror. Here's the bed with another bedroom. We got a speaker. Cool little designs. Look at this mirror. Whew. His bed is so low to the ground. And then here's the balcony, y'all. You get the view of the balcony, right? Wow, like it's huge. Sheesh. It's nice. Then we got some more closets. I ain't gonna show y'all that. Y'all don't really care about that. A little vanity area. Here's the bathroom. The his and her sinks. Got a TV in the bathroom. The rainforest shower. And a little toilet with the sliding door. Isn't that nice? And then you wrap right back around here to the front entrance. And voila. Room tour.